Data science is a new type of business intelligence that utilizes data-driven models to analyze and visualize data to make predictions. The field has been around for about 25 years, but it has only recently begun to grow in popularity due to the exponential growth of big data. As with any emerging field, there are many misconceptions about what exactly this entails. For example, some people think that all you need is the ability to crunch numbers or program computers. However, these skills are necessary but not sufficient for success in the field. One must also have knowledge of statistics, machine learning algorithms, and visualization tools to be successful as a data scientist. Let's explore what precisely constitutes data science and how it can be used by businesses for competitive advantages. First, what exactly is data? Data is a collection of facts and figures that represent a particular idea. There are many different types of data, such as mobile phone call records, election results, or supermarket sales figures. In most cases, it is necessary to have software or an algorithm process raw input from sensors, cameras, or scanners to convert it into readable data. Generally speaking, there are two categories of companies: those that use data and those that produce it. Data production companies retain vast amounts of customer information and transactional records, which they collect and secure for business purposes. For example, CRM, customer relationship management, software tracks customer interactions with a company to generate sales reports. On the other hand, data-driven companies acquire vast amounts of external data to produce more accurate predictions about their business and customers. For example, Google uses search history from its users all over the world to provide them with targeted ads of products they might be interested in. In practice, it's difficult to draw the line between these two types of companies because many businesses produce some data while also using other forms externally. For example, Facebook tracks user activity for targeted advertising purposes, but it is unclear whether they are a data-driven company due to their content production, for example, uploading photos or videos. However, business schools like MITS use Facebook to advertise their courses and generate sales leads, which can be considered data-driven since they are collecting external data, i.e., user activity on the site, to make predictions about products that might be of interest to consumers. There are many ways companies currently utilize data science. However, before we get into that, it is necessary to understand how data is analyzed. Most people are familiar with the fact that companies collect information on them, but have you ever thought about what exactly they are trying to discover? This is an important question for businesses to answer because it determines the underlying foundation of their data strategy and helps align business objectives and data-driven techniques. For example, a marketing campaign requires different data and analysis than one to detect suspicious activity in financial transactions. Traditional business intelligence is mainly concerned with descriptive statistics. That is, it uses statistical models to describe and predict trends based on historic data. On the other hand, data science aims at prediction and relies on many disciplines such as machine learning algorithms and predictive modeling. In many cases, data science is used nowadays to provide businesses with. Although data science can be applied in several different ways and has a broad scope of applications within the private sector, it also requires that we look at its potential impact on society. Some argue that since we live in an age where surveillance and privacy are very serious concerns, data collection should be closely monitored. The case of Facebook is one example where the amount of user-generated data available for analysis was overwhelming and contributed to the company's decision to introduce targeted ads in exchange for free content. for example, access to social media platforms. While many users didn't mind having their activity tracked, some criticized this move as users who weren't willing to pay for the service were now forced to view targeted ads. The importance of privacy, therefore, is related to how much data we are willing to share and with whom. Enrollments in relevant courses are rapidly increasing at universities around the world. This rise has led to the production of more qualified graduates and an increase in demand for data scientists. In fact, according to the IEEE Computer Society, the number of students who reported an interest in majoring in data science had increased by 250% from 2012 to 2014. However, this industry is becoming increasingly competitive and has very high expectations. Not only do employers require sound technical knowledge, but they also want professionals who understand the business domain and can apply their skills in innovative ways. McKinsey & Company estimate that by 2018 there will be a shortage of 1.5 million managers and analysts with expertise in data-driven decision-making. This is why many companies have invested heavily in training and retraining their employees. According to the ACM, IBM has partnered with universities to create curriculums that focus on data science and provides students with internships within its company. This training has helped increase IBM's competitive advantage, since not only does it provide managers with insights about their business, but also helps them retain talent by creating new career opportunities within the company. The need for data scientists has led companies to seek out employees with a quantitative background or those who have taken relevant online courses, such as courses found on Simpliv's website. However, this approach is not without its challenges, since many of the skills required for data analysis can be taught and learned through short training sessions. Finding experienced professionals can be difficult. Also, there are concerns about the quality of courses available online, since not all provide students with the hands-on experience and knowledge required to work in a sophisticated data analysis environment. Employers also worry that students lack soft skills such as communication and critically thinking, skills that cannot be obtained through training but rather through real-world experience and practice. Finally, there is also a considerable need for skilled managers who can help guide the data science projects that companies undertake. According to McKinsey & Company, these professionals require high-level skills such as the ability to grab attention and persuade senior management about their projects, while also being able to effectively communicate with others in the team to move projects forward. The use of data science in business is on the rise, and companies are striving to hire employees with a quantitative background and/or those who have taken relevant online courses. However, this approach has its challenges, since students may lack soft skills such as communication and critical thinking. These skills cannot be taught through training but rather through real-world experience. Companies are seeking out managers who can get the attention of senior management and communicate with team members effectively so that they can move projects forward.